Wan terfikir daripada terbuang saja buku-buku lama tak cetak lagi. Resipi itu semua kira habis. Apa yang orang ada semua kira dah macam collector item. Saya terfikir resipi ni sentiasa evergreen.
Betul
tak ya?
Selemak still evergreen. Orang mesti
and especially kalau resipi tu sedap, enak, orang boleh makan, boleh cuba, and somehow kita ni very loyal, betul? Macam Wan dah belajar satu resipi tu, suka masak macam tu je. Ya, kadang alah ubah sikit kan, but you like it lah. So why waste money? So I fikir, why don't I get popular bookstore, because they have the biggest distribution arm di Malaysia, di Singapura, banyak, senang. Bila kita nak jual buku, kita nak tempat yang boleh bukan saja pasarkan buku tu, tapi boleh juga orang kata menjual buku tu dengan harga yang orang kata berpatutan atau lebih murah. So bila saya tengok resipi ni, kita tak payah ambil gambar lagi. Saya fikir daripada buang, kenapa tak compilekan 5 buku ni, ambil the best of kata 20 yang saya tengok satu buku ni terbaik ya. Jadi kompor-kompor, jadi apa yang terdapat tu ialah terbaik. Itulah macam kata kita nak bagi markah cikgu lah. Ini PSA exam kan, 1 sampai 10. Dah makan-makan ni kan, lidah berkulung-kulung. Lepas tu fikir ni nak bagi 6 ke nak bagi 7. Alo, saya chef Wan, dah makan satu dunia kan, jadi tahulah mana sedap tak sedap. Jadi bila kurang, so kita bagilah markah 5, 6 lah. Tapi kalau kita rasa resipi yang kita buat tu macam 7, 8, 9, anything 8, 9 is good. Jadi kita ambil benda tu.
Jadi 400 resipi ni adalah semua yang terbaik daripada anda.
Tapi ikut teka I lah kan.
Teka you sampai buka restoran kan.
Tapi tak cakap alah boleh lah, nak kata best sangat pun tak ada juga, ikut pasang surut. Tapi jangan salah I.
Hebat sangat-sangat.
Tengok pula tukang masak yang dekat belakang tu kerja setengah nyawa, bukan senang. Jadi tak berani kita nak buku canang kan. Orang kata sedap ni very subjektif. Sama juga buku masak kan. Some like it like this, some suka macam ni. So jadi bila saya jumpa popular, dia kata saya setuju. Apa kata dia kata kita buat dia paling harga yang berpatutan murah. Maknanya kalau buku di luar semua, kalau dia tengok semua, kalau di Malaysia lah contoh 100 lebih. Jamie Oliver ke siapa ni, semua 120, 130, 150 pun ada ringgit Malaysia. Tapi buku saya ni kali ni cuma 40 equivalent RM16.90 lah.
Kalau Singapura $16.90
boleh lah kan.
Boleh lah tu.
Tak, bukan dapat sikit, 400. Kau nak apa ni?
400 terbaik.
Aku nak naik haji pun tak tahu boleh dapat tahun depan. Dengan nak dapat royalty, silat-silat 10 tahun pun kumpul duit royalty tu pun tak dapat haji lagi. Yes. As usual, seronok sebab kita ada berapa cooking demonstration. Masak je kan.
Masak apa Chef Wan?
Itu kena datang rasa lah besok.
Sedap.
So kita ada pukul 11 pagi pun ada masak. Bukan time buku je. Kita ada cooking demo pukul 11 pagi. Kemudian cooking demo kita petang pukul 3, minta maaf ya, dekat apa ni, Popular Asian Fair Bedok. Bedok ni. Lepas tu satu lagi pukul 7 malam pun ada juga cooking demo dekat Giant at Tampines. Kan.
Ini untuk esok lah, pada hari Ahad lagi juga ada demonstrasi memasak 4 petang.
4 petang juga
dekat Giant IMM.
Kan, so boleh tengok jadual lah, schedule tu kan.
Yang padat sangat lah. Jadi adakah pelancaran buku ini dilakukan di Singapura saja ataupun di Malaysia juga ada?
Malaysia pun ada. Kita mungkin pergi banyak tempat lagi lah. Tapi banyak lagi nak buat, tapi kena buat lepas bulan tak salah ke. Sebab lepas raya I'm going off to Lebanon, Sweden dan juga Norway. Sambung film ini. Berbalik seminggu. I was di Morocco, di Portugal dan Spain selama 3.5 weeks rasa.
Untuk promosikan masakan Melayu juga?
Tak ada. Ini masakan dia. This is my world travel series untuk Astro Prima. Kembara Chef Wan sedunia.
Sedunia. Berapa negara tu lebih kurang?
Kita ini musim ketiga. Musim kedua kita di selatan Perancis, Paris, Marseille, Cannes, Saint-Tropez, semua tu lah. Dan before that kita di New Zealand. So the series will take I think at least about Kalau sambung pun ada lagi dalam 10 negara lagi.
Wow. Okey, baik. Terbaik untuk sekarang ni
jangan lupa buku tu murah tau, RM16.90.
Boleh. Untuk chef pun orang Singapura pasti akan menyokong anda.
Sedekah yalah sedekah hajah bibi yalah.
Amboi, ni lagi umrah ni.
Cepat naik haji lagi dah. Apa umrah mau naik haji lagi.
Haji lagi insya-Allah. Okey chef, terima kasih sekali lagi.
Terima kasih. Thank you to you, thank you to everyone, thank you to all my wonderful fans. I love you. Selamat malam selamat istirahat. So insya-Allah tomorrow or the day after tomorrow ada masa kita jumpa lagi. Kalau tak ada masa di lain masa pun boleh datang to Popular Bookstore. The cookbook is there, it's on sale. Tak ada Taiwan market also they can buy. Tak ada bila jumpa I pun beli.
Okey.
Beli nak cakap.
Terima kasih chef Wan sekali lagi.
Bye. So wonderful this morning. Also pagi ni jumpa Mr. Chow. Ni toke dia. Okay, jangan tahu. Mr. Chow ni the father was the one who started kedai popular ni 1924 ya.
90 years.
90 years.
Tujuan dia bukan apa, nak buat all this newspaper, periodical, orang kata sampai to reach to everyone at such an affordable price. Tahulah kadang-kadang benda-benda ni can be expensive, tapi bila dah mahal tu, tak semua orang mampu beli. So cerita this book pula, so when I was offered, what you call it, circulation untuk buku ni di Popular, because they have the biggest bookstores in the whole country, termasuk Malaysia. So I was very happy to be able to work dengan diorang lah. Kenapa at one point in time pun I was thinking, sometimes when you have all these beautiful recipes simpan lama pun, kita masuk lubang kubur kan awak pun kan, baik bagi orang. Because you know why? One, as you know lah, in the last 27 years on television, I've always believed, food is love. Betul tak ya? Bila kita masak sesuatu yang sedap, you put at the table, I mean you tell me lah, yang ikan jerung pun datang. Even the shark datang makan kan. So especially our wonderful family kan, adik-beradik, keluarga, kawan-kawan. So use this and then connect this to everybody out there dari mara so this is the best So dia kata tahu lah, kita punya kata masak ni, when it comes to cooking, tak semua orang ada bakat yang tinggi, tapi kita semua boleh belajar belajar sikit-sikit kan. So you always start somewhere, because I was also just like anyone out of you, for the love of food, for the passion of food, because I feel this is the greatest joy given by Allah kan, God Almighty, Allah yang turunkan, and I think there's anything that today that's left for us human beings to be together, to sit together, to eat, to be happy, to laugh, to cry, to share knowledge, sebagainya is food. So it's sad hari ni kita tengok, on the other side of the world people are fighting, bergaduh, even sama Islam, sama Sunni, sama whatever lah, semua tak kena. It's either you hitam, you Cina, you Islam, you Muslim, you Christian, you Jewish, like what is that? Kan, because God is not cruel to create all of us in this world and not to live together. Dalam Quran berkata kan, dijadikan manusia bagai-bagai bentuk, rupa, warna, kulit, bangsa, and the Quran says you shall not hurt your fellow non-Muslim by word of mouth or even physically. Kita kena jaga kan. Kalau kita tak suka orang kutuk kita tak suka orang judge kita, then we not judge people. So tak boleh kadang-kadang pandang hina makanan orang ke benda kan. Kalau tak suka, tak halal, tak haram, tak salah sentuh, tak suka makan kan. Tapi janganlah kita pandang benda tak elok kan. Because masyarakat, we have to live together. And I think Singapore is such a fantastic country where I see that people can live in harmony and all that, and wonderful, and to be able to enjoy such cheap cookbook. 400 recipes for 60, for 60, 90, 400. Aduh, that's so cheap kan. Bila lagi I nak pergi naik haji, I don't think I boleh naik haji next 5 years, nak tunggu royalty ni pun. Because orang kata yang dapat ni sikit sangat. So imagine when books like this dijual 4 kali ganda. Tapi sebab dah dulu dah keluar 5 buku ni, so I compiled it and I said tak apalah, because it's not exactly a new recipe, it's a compilation of 5 buku. So ramai pun yang tak ada buku-buku tu, saya ambil yang terbaik. So that's why this is a book a message of love, from not just me, but from the wonderful Popular Bookstore. So we thank Mr. Chow and so all group and all that for being able. I mean, there's one thing about writing books. There's one thing about writing books, but trying to have a network or trying to have a place to market and also to sell and to reach out, and distribution is not something yang senang, betul? So hari ni ini dia. So thank you so much. Tak nak cerita banyak lagi, so we begin signing lah. And kepada semua saya ucapkan terima kasih. Thank you for your patience to wait. I'll try and sign as quick as I can, and so have a good day. And thank you for all your support. And mudah-mudahan, with a bit of this rezeki that I will probably get end of the year, as usual, I will probably donate, a part of it also to so many charitable organizations. And when I do that, buat juga, kind of all of you juga. Bila kita kadang bersedekah pun kita niat bukan atas diri kita, tapi atas anda juga semua umat Islam yang memberi sokongan kepada saya. I think that's what life is all about. It's not just about us, about kita connecting to one another, and for us also to help society and all those unfortunate. Thank you so much for your support.
Terima kasih, Chef Wan. Terima kasih. Baiklah. Thank you. Kita akan panggil Chairman of Popular Bookstore, Mr. Chow. Can you give some words, some advice to the audience, the readers? Thank you. Well, I'm doing my roving report to radio now. Okay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I don't normally come up to speak, and well, I guess in this occasion, I should try to speak Malay, but I won't, because my Malay is Bahasa Melayu. I can't do it. So anyway, thanks all of you to come. I just want to say a couple of things. Number one, I'm also a great admirer of Chef Wan. Otherwise, I wouldn't want to publish a book. All right. And number two, you all may or may not know, Chef Wan started his apprenticeship at the age of 13. 13, right? And this is his 40th year in the business. That's why we published 400 recipes to commemorate his 40th year. Okay? And the next thing is that, I'm a businessman. I want to make money. So I can tell you honestly, this book, I don't think I make too much money.
Me too.
Yeah. Well, then why do I want to publish this book? Because I feel that, like Chef Wan says, food is to be enjoyed and shared by everyone. No nationality, no race. So this is a very, very good occasion to commemorate. And I'm not trying to be a good salesman to say, cheap, 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 buy, buy, buy. No, no, no. This is a wonderful book. You buy it, especially with Chef Wan's signature, you will have a very, very sweet memory. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih, Mr. Chow, Chairman of Popular Bookstore. Baiklah, kita akan mulakan sesi tanda tangan dengan Chef Wan sekarang. Ingat ya? Baiklah, tadi dalam laporan lintas langsung. Jadi orang-orang yang berada di Bedok, kalau ada kawan-kawan di Bedok, di sana ni, telefon sekarang. Tapi datang sini jauh sangat, jadi boleh datang ke Bedok dan Tampines.
Terima kasih ya.
Okay, camera. Thank you.
Enjoy the recipe.
Thank you.
Boleh ke mana sini? Kamera? Ya.
Sini ya. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, taken already. Thank you.
Terima kasih kamu puasa, thank you kami.
Yeah.
Thank you for waiting. Kesian you tunggu lama.
Okay.
Dan sekarang ini saya berada di Popular Bookstore cawangan Causeway Point untuk pelancaran dan meet and greet Chef Wan dengan buku yang terbaru dia, 400 resipi terbaik Chef Wan. Yang bersama saya di antara ribuan yang datang ke sini, seorang dari Johor Bahru. Kak Ani, apa khabar?
Baik, Alhamdulillah.
Kak Ani, beli buku berapa ni awak datang beratur ni?
Selepas subuh saya keluar, pasal takut jam. Dapat beli buku.
Itu dia, berapa orang Johor juga ni, mewakili orang Johor. Kawasan mana tu?
Kawasan Nusa Idaman.
Ya, anda beli berapa 20 buah buku ni, banyaknya. 20 naskah awak beli. Untuk siapa ni?
Kawan-kawan lah semua.
Oh, satu Johor dia belikan ni untuk membantu satu, mak satu untuk resepi bulan puasa dan buka puasa nantilah.
Anak-anak tu boleh gunakan buku ni.
Dah banyak resepi ni yang mana satu kerjaan ni semua?
Ada lah yang saya dah pernah cuba resepi channel, tapi nampaknya alhamdulillah. Jadi bila ada kesempatan macam ni, saya pun tak nak lepaskan peluang lama. Pasal buku baru ni, dia ada juga resepi yang lama dicampurkan dekat dalam buku ni. Jadi saya happy nak beli lagi.
Betul, harga promosi $16.90. Selepas harga promosi ni $19.90. Dan kalau anda berada di kawasan Bedok, Chef Wan akan berada di Bedok Mall pukul 3 petang dan pukul 7 malam nanti di Tampines Giant, di mana beliau akan tunjukkan demonstrasi memasak resipi yang telah dah ada dalam buku ni. Jadi Kak Ani, untuk mereka yang tak datang tu, apa juga pesan Kak Ani?
Walaupun bila nak sambut bulan Ramadan, bolehlah cuba-cuba resepi puasa.
Jangan tak jadi ya. Kita kembali ke studio bersama Nona Kirana dari Popular Bookstore Causeway Point. Akan serbu mereka.
Ya, jangan lupa pukul 3 petang di Popular Atrium Fair at Bedok Mall lah. Level 1, pukul 3 petang kita ada petang ni cooking demo tau. Bukan saja sign buku, ada demo masak. Pukul 7 malam sambung lagi. Yang penting petang ni disambung dekat Giant at Tampines. Jangan tak datang pula. Penat-penat kan? Sebab hari ni 2 kali dapur saya berasap lah.
Okey. So kalau nak jumpa Chef Wan akan berada di NTUC Ang Mo Kio Hub ya. Apa ada demo memasak tak situ?
Ada pukul 4 petang. 4-6 petang, pukul 1 sign je. Sign je, tak ada bagi makan free lah. Pukul 4 petang kau datang bawa makan free. Jangan kau bawa selori pula. Ayam adalah seekor nak bagi 300 orang.
Dan 4 petang hingga 6 petang besok berada di Giant MM
Giant MM. Masak. Sedap resipi saya tahu. Yang main daripada buku ni. Kita ambil resipi daripada buku ni.
Ya betul. Dan harga promosi buku ini $16.90. Kalau lepas itu $19.90. Jadi cepat serbu.
Ayam seekor bagi 500 orang.
Giant hari ini. Besok malam ni Giant MM. Nona, kita kembali ke studio. Saya dah lapar nak makan ni. Resipi ni menggiurkan. Saya nak masak sendiri.
Jangan main khazanah-khazanah lagi ni kan.
Yelah, kalau tak ada Melayu, kalau tak ada Chef Wan, tak ada orang nak masak, nak kumpulkan resipi-resipi ni. Nasi lemak telanjang tak ada yang buku ni, jangan marah.
Itu kena buat tulis menu. Terima kasih. Okey.
Ya, sama-sama. Kata Chef Wan, apakah cabaran masa buatkan buku ni, cabarannya, the challenges?
Okey, cabaran dia sebenarnya tak ada banyak. Cabaran dia mungkin kehilangan royalty yang selalunya 12%, kali ni dapat 5% saja. Sebab kita nak sedekah kat awak semua, ya, jadi kurang sikit kan. Nilai apa semua tu kan apa. A lot of the expenses dalam cabaran buku ni adalah actually printing cost dia lah. Ya, untuk menyediakan dan lain-lain itu yang buatkan buku tu murah. So I think daripada kejayaan hari ni, orang rasa di masa akan datang, I think the best way is to do books macam ni lah. Yang affordable. Sebab sekarang nowadays standard of living mahal kan. So kita nak tempat-tempat macam restoran lain juga, market dia datang makan, family. I'm a very family person, so I like to see family come together, people to be happy. Because sometimes kita fikir money is not everything in life tau. I mean, you can only spend so much kan, banyak nak belanja kan. So kalau kita ada lebih sedikit pun kita sedekah tempat lain juga. So kenapa tidak kita sedekah pada peminat-peminat kita yang telah beri sokongan kepada kita yang membesar.
Jangan nangis, saya tengok. Jangan sensitif sikit.
Dalam bubuk dia mampu.
Tadi saya pesan kalau dia janda nak tahu lama kan. Itu tak lain dia.
Jangan lupa kalau nak melamar bukan sebarang I ni high maintenance tolong mana nak melamar tu hantar bank statement, surat penjaga gadai, geran tanah semua kita nak tengok tau. Termasuklah surat penjaga gadai.
Itu pun janda yang menggigil aja dia minta ya. Yang menggigil.
Kalau kita ambil yang mana tengah agak sikit. Sangka tak payah simpan lama-lama.
Tepuk sekali je. Innalillah. Itu dia.
Asal mak kau tak kahwin aku?
Mak kita cikgu. Cikgu masak susah sikit.
Godok.
Apa kisah? 8 rules of life. Semalam saya tengok Instagram Chef Wan, 8 undang-undang kehidupan tu. 8 rules. Yang ke-8 ada kisah. Kau ada.
Jangan lupa bagi tahu Instagram mana nak masuk. Chef Wan 58. Thank you kami.
Chef Wan 58 Instagram Chef Wan ya. Chef Wan 58. Okey. Kita jangan Chef Wan nak sign banyak ni. Kita relax dulu.
pun tak jumpa Misiam. Macam mana tu? Kan? Tak apalah. Orang kata kaki pun kita kaki lah.
Kak Julia itu dia pisang kaki dalam resipi tu. Itu persimpan. Itu dia.
Buat pula akak cari pisang ada kaki. Sedap puding tu Kak, sedap. Ya, biar buah tu bila beli, you cari kat pasar-pasar, selalu time yang bulan 9 autumn dia keluar. Bulan 9 selalu dia keluar sebab buah ni daripada Korea, daripada Australia, Perth. Dia bulan-bulan ni warna orange. Lepas tu dia keras, yang lembut pun ada. So bila beli biarkan lembut 3-4 hari sampai lembut, lepas tu mash. Dia kalau tak ada betik pun boleh ganti. Because dia punya texture pisang kaki tu dengan betik almost the same. Warna pun orange. Lepas tu kita buat macam fruit cake kan. Blend lepas tu sedap.
Lain daripada pisang kaki,
Pisang awak pun dia. Pisang awak, pisang tanduk, pisang raja. Tak ada pisang. Itu je. Betik boleh ganti. It's nice. Try. But make sure you leave it betul-betul manis betul.
Itu resipi apa tu Chef Wan?
Ni persimmon pudding.
Persimmon pudding tu
atau pisang kaki. Oh ni nama lain dah.
Tak pula persimmon. Boleh ganti dengan pisang.
Ya tu, persimmon. Ada orang panggil pisang kaki.
Kita panggil buah sama.
Wah, aku cari tak ada kaki.
Okey, dah start. Very nice.
Bukan tak jadi saya.
Yes, the small cartoon. Very nice.
Our handsome chef, Chef Wan. Maybe viewers first, they will from 1 o'clock. Okay, tepuk tangan for Wan.
I tell you what, I want to go to the toilet also no time now. So because the toilet locked, so I just take one rubber band and tie lah. So in case your shop wife you see me moving like that, you know lah. Open house already. Main kat getah je. Punya ramai orang.
Ya, ramai sekali Chef Wan.
I apologize for the delay because we had a big crowd on the other side. So that's one the reason why, I'm a bit late today, yeah? Sorry for that.
Tadi akak tanya, kenapa tak dalam bahasa Inggeris punya? Mengamuk dia.
I think it's coming.
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 Okay, the English version is coming, man. Okay, you wait Okay.
Okay, now, initially we were going to start the cooking demo first, but apparently a lot of people have been queuing up for the last, 1 hour. So I've asked me to sign the book quickly. Okay, I don't mind,
Can we sign the book first?
Okay,
Okay, silakan Chef Wan.
Auntie, don't worry, You know that you have the whole world problem on your shoulder. Don't worry. After I give you one chicken, nice size one, okay, don't worry,
Dia nak buku tak faham, kata dia, nak bahasa Inggeris.
Don't worry.
Okay, coming soon.
Okay, good. Okay, so to give me your hand to support me, thank you so much.
Ya, jadi kalau anda
Kamu wasit kak ya?
Cepat.
Thank you. Kamu water.
Dekat baju dia semua.
Dah nak maju ada sign macam dekat. Sign lagi. Apa kata dekat baju?
The baju dia apa? Buat kenangan.
Buat kenangan. Dekat baju thank you so much. Puas kakaknya. Thank you for waiting ya. One girl. Some like depan, some like belakang, some like tengah.
Thank you. Boleh meninggal lah.
Itulah janganlah meninggal lagi kan saya menangis kan. Sama puasa kak jangan meninggal.
Apa Cik Wan?
Baik alhamdulillah. Jangan semput daripada pagi tak boleh kunci.
Okay, baiklah. Due to time factor, Chef Wan only sign.
Sekarang nak mencak jari tu jalan.
Jari pun boleh. Okay, thank you so much for coming.
Mana boleh tak tidur.
Terima kasih kepada anda yang telah sampai jam 1 di hari tadi. Dan Chef Wan betul happy sekali dengan sambutan. Ya, tapi dia akan sign saja dengan nama. Terima kasih.
Akan dapat tau. tokek kedai ni pun tak dapat kurang. Yang lebih dapat korang ni lebih. Sebab sangat tu resipi tak murah. Sikit cantik lah.
Sini ada jual.
Ada jual?
Ni, counter.
B1
No, counter.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Sini.
Chef Wan said this food is in kind, you know, it doesn't make profit, just for you. Donation later.
But take long time to go haji lah.
A bit of profit apa, yang pentingnya orang bermakan je puan. Itu dia.
Mendosa nak buat profit.
Ya. Agak-agaknya berdoakan je puan, kahwin cepat-cepat ni ha.
Oi.
Tadi je tadi.
Oi, kata orang pandai.
Catherine, you ask what Chef Wan will get married when?
Terima kasih cari berkahwin kan. Selamat berpuasa.
Dia buat janda kan. Okey, yang mendapatkan buku di belakang saja, Popular Bookstore di belakang. Dapatkan buku anda segera untuk sesi autograf ya. Itu Chef Wan. Ada akan berhenti sign jam 4 petang. Yang tak sempat macam mana ni?
Tak sempat nanti malam kan datanglah dekat hotel.
Lain cerita pula ke hotel datang, okey, tak sempat di sini, kita pergi ke Tampines Giant di mana Chef Wan akan ada demonstrasi memasak dan sesi autograf bukunya yang terbaru ini. Jadi pada anda yang
datang ke hotel
mencuri popular.com.sg untuk mengetahui tentang perkembangan buku ini dikeluarkan dengan jadi kalau tak sempat nanti jangan marah. Kumpulan kita harus berhenti sesi datangan ini untuk mengambil
lajunya
setelah sibuknya Gaza Majid dari sini.
Thank you kan, puasa ya. Ni buku, I would say gone, finished. So rather than the book all go just down the drain, then I think that why don't we just compile it and collect the best of 20 recipes only from each book. Not all, okay, don't forget. Out of the 5 books, there are 100 over. We will take 20 and put them. Because I realize there are also many young generation during the time when I was doing the cookbook were not born yet. But then now as they grow older, they get married, ada anak, and they also want to cook. So rather than the recipe just go off like that, buang in bahasa, so I might as well put them in English. But the English ones are all still available. You can find them in the bookstore, except there are 120 more recipes lah. But mahal sikit lah. But nice cover, of course better quality and all that. Yeah. So don't worry, you see that. But you know what, eventually we will also do something like that also. Yeah, but it's not that, you cannot find it, you can find them. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, insyaAllah.
Yeah. Okay, Chef Wan said, I can find the English recipe in other books lah. It's a compilation of all the best recipes. So 400, you know, maybe 400. Can be rich, you know, for many houses, some more.
Dry sikit, tak boleh masak. Okay, now one of the recipes I want to share with you is called the pollo. Okay, in Spanish it's called pollo. Actually it means chicken, or we call polo ke pollo. Pollo is chicken, cilindron. So this is a Basque country cuisine from North Spain. Yeah, because we were filming there, I saw some wonderful recipe. I said, I gotta share it with you. It's so delicious, it's sedap. Yeah, kalau boleh nak bawang more. Yeah, chef tak ada tak apalah. Kita double of that bawang bila itu. Yeah, and what do you call that? Bawang boleh potong apa tu? Sikit-sikit, ya. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here, we just Spanish. Kan? Olive oil, the best oil. You don't have to worry. On the skin also, alamak. You look at my skin, I'm 56 years old. Nice, not? Nothing lah. Just this one, you taruh macam pun sudah so nice. You go so look at that shiny, go so like that. See, auntie also write down, First, before you cook, auntie say put oil on your hand. Minyak, very good. So it's good oil. It has a lot of antioxidants, fantastic. But anyway, never mind. We're not selling oil. We're selling chicken today. So we put all this olive oil and that. Banyak sikit pun is okay. Don't worry, because it is a healthy oil. So we heat up the olive oil. Immediately we're going to fry our onion. Kita akan gorengkan bawang ni, onion ni. Itu dia. Kan? Chef, kau keluar lubang besar sikit kan macam kencing aku.
Okey, baiklah. Buku-buku Chef Wan masih lagi ada di belakang kalau anda terlepas nak beli. Buku 400 recipe by Chef Wan ada di belakang. Kalau dah habis, boleh ke basement 2, B2. Okay, get the book now, ladies and gentlemen.
Saute the onion together with the carrot. You can throw that inside. And mushroom. So you can cut your butter mushroom maybe 10, 15, no problem. Chef kau kacaukan. So while Chef is doing that, I am going to brown my chicken. Now there's 2 ways of doing it. We can brown the chicken first and then put the vegetable, which I think is I do it. Put flour a bit, tepung, because why? Flour helps to caramelize the chicken. Yeah, but at the same time, flour also gives that nice, what you call that, flavor when you brown it. Flour also is like a thickening agent, yeah, for your stew. We are making a chicken stew, yeah. So very easy. Stir like that, yeah. Chef kacau chef, you know, the flour go gaul and kita letakkan. Black pepper be like that, yeah. Stir with the flour and some salt. That's it. Very easy lah. It's going to caramelize the chicken. And you will see. Because once it starts to brown, yeah, it has got flavor. Because you know why? Flour basically is carbohydrate, kanji. Bila kerja dengan minyak. And in this dish, we also add some lovely, yeah. What do you call that? Chopped parsley, yeah. We also have basil, fresh basil, yeah. You can also have fresh thyme. All the wonderful herbs. Always try to use fresh, yeah. It's the best. And you see my program, Eat Bites Wet. When you see some my show, yeah, it's all about freshness, yeah. Baby and all that. So, yeah, nice. But she said, you still got your stock so that you can scrape like that. So all the nice flavor, all the caramelized under here, the flour and all that will come together, yeah. So it doesn't stick. Nampak chef? See that? Kan? Kalau melekat, taruh, yeah. Put a little bit, just a little bit of chicken stock, and then you realize the sauce is all coming together now. Nampak, yeah? Lovely. So don't let the pan burn, yeah? Because the minute you see something sticking under your pan, the secret is always add a bit of water or chicken stock into that, stir, and then you know, so that the pan doesn't stick. But you need, because all that sticking underneath is the flour, yang brown. That's why when you make steak and all that, it's always, you know, what they do is what they glaze it with wine and all that, kan? Same thing like that. So when you have anything that brown, don't waste it. Don't wait until it burn. Jangan tunggu sampai terbakar. Taruh air, dah garing, itu yang wangi dia. Macam kita makan pisang goreng garing, kan? Macam ni rasa wangi tak? Wangi kan? Sama juga. Because all of that is going to add flavor into your stew. You know, so that's why I always tell people, semua orang boleh masak. Tapi orang yang betul-betul pandai masak, will know the technique. I said the grandmother, orang tua-tua will come and bring me, I show you. My grandmother, see this? You come and see, that's why. For me, the best kitchen is still the mother's kitchen, the grandmother's kitchen. No matter how professional also, our grandmother, our mama is the best kitchen. Sometimes chef train professional also, betul tak, ya? Also cannot cook as good as the mother also. Trust me, ya. They go, because if he doesn't, he got no place at you know. He's my chef at one market. He's the one who works day and night like a bull. All this kena marah, all the stuff, all he also marah the stuff. I marah, dia marah, we all marah each other. But then dia just work lah. Because I want to give the best to all of you. So when I created one market, now we put crushed tomato. When I created one market, I wanted one market to be for the middle income Singaporean who cannot afford to go to hotel. 55 sing, 60 sing, can come to my place for 30 something sing, 35 sing. Lunch everywhere 40 sing, I was only 29. So when you can bring your mother, your father, your grandmother, your uncle, whoever you can bring up, bawa lah. You bring that you can eat together as family. Yeah, because that place is made for family. Yeah, so that's why the success of one market today. Now we're gonna add olive. Yeah, the masuk, we add olive. So you look at this, the chicken is lovely. You know, your with garlic bread and all that. Oh, so nice. Even before it's cooked, it's already like. Guys, look at this, very nice. So we leave that to cook a bit, and then of course, the Spanish love. Sure, this is expensive lah, but because you know, never mind, one market sponsor today we put extra lah. Yeah, extra never mind. Yeah, bit of saffron there, and then the bay leaf, cut kopi-kopi, ada lebih sikit pun tak apa, tak ada ni je, tinggal dia. Okay, all that, and from here more black pepper, bit of salt as well. Yeah, sugar there. Yeah, always remember when you cook something with tomato, you need a little bit of sugar to cut down, yeah, the acidity. So at this point of time, even this recipe, you serve, you letak ada pasta, sedap, spaghetti, fettuccine kan, masuk sini letak aja. So I am going to put just enough water, not too much, not too much, ataupun stock, ni stock kan, stock is chicken stock, air rebusan ayam, and then just enough to cover the chicken, and we leave the chicken to stew for about half an hour until the sauce is nice and thick, and then you taste the balance between manis, between what they call masin, all that now, so very important. So at the end of the day, the palate is you. Leave it to cook. As honest, when you cook something, cook with love. Yeah? Don't rush, patience, slowly. Whoa, she write very long time now. Don't rush. Look at So we leave this to Renee, we call it to simmer nicely, cook, and then later we will taste it. Now, let's go to my next recipe. Very simple, Muslim, and that's why I'm here in Singapore. I'm very proud to see all of you. Because you know why? Because I see, in here, the Muslim people also, they very religious. They have their own religion. Christian, Buddhist, no fight about like what? Hey, at the end of the day, all same God. Remember, before even Islam came, they were other God also. People were praying, don't know what, whatever they want to see, they got God. So masing-masing, itu you get choice. So they all respect. So Singapore is a fantastic. And so I invite my Malaysian, look at Singapore. That's why I want to say, I mean, you have to understand. Betul saya, right? God is everywhere. When you have love is everywhere. Betul tak? Every time you use the word God, when you see the food, you take one delicious. Oh God, delicious. Everything. When you see them, oh my God. Sometimes we have good steak, oh my God. You know that? I don't know lah. I forgot what steak long time ago lah. But you all know lah. There's multiple organs. Oh my God. Wow, so God God is everywhere. So sometimes if you borrow money or something, borrow money. Where God lah? But that one different God lah. So don't fight about God. So masing-masing ada respect, and that's very important. So my grandmother taught me about that, and the food, all that, the peranakan. So that's why today, I'm going to share you this recipe. Tak tahu gua hantam. Like they say, kau pun kau. Aku rumah pintu, lu masuk tingkap. So like that, okay. Ada apa kisah? Kacau je. So my grandmother always taught me when I was young how to make good sambal. Kalau dia buat nyonya prawn kari banyak apa Cik Amin, macam mana mau cukup rasa masam, masin, wangi. That's why a good chef must be able to have that palate. You have to understand what is sweet, what is sour. Jangan main terjun tingkap aja tau. Okay, now we put a bit of lemon juice. So after we're gonna taste it, no problem. So with this, we have some lovely prawn. Chef, ramainya chef. Kalau kau potong semua ini, tu tak aku dah bergadung je, chef. Maksud ini potong. One time I did a show in Jakarta, because they give free kicap satu botol. Boleh gaduh tau, tak dapat. They throw the bottle in oranges here Indonesia. Because free gift, some people don't get, they go and throw all the thing. Boleh bergaduh. So next time after we don't get the prawn, don't worry. You cut, you buy one, give you the minus spirit Singaporean. Okay, so we put on the prawns inside, and then comes the glass noodle. The glass noodle. The glass noodle goes inside. So my grandmother does the nyonya one, but then I realized she never put mango. First hers is just kerabu, like that. The nyonya version, she put stir-fry, she put bunga kantan. Recipe tak ada bunga kantan ke? Because I have so many recipes I forget. So, and of course we add in a bit of dama food. Kalau boleh cut more fine lah. Because this one look so rough lah, the chef look. Macam bagi makan kambing macam lah. When you eat after you want cut very thinly lah. You want smell tapi macam mana? Kan? Ini bukan macam burung kecil. Kan? So a bit of lime leaf here. And then kita ada sini daun somai. Apa sih dalam mi ni? Daun pulina, mint leaf. Mint leaf, So mint leaf kalau boleh chop last. Bila kau chop awal dia lebih-lebih jadi. Always chop your mint leaf last minute. You come and bring here chop also never mind. Otherwise dia tak ada berlekat dah. So once that then, and then we put mango. Okay, nice glass mango. Now when I do my mango, I like it two colors. But you like, I like it two colors because you know why? You take the right one, nice. You take the very right one, kuning, manis. Lepas tu you ambil yang hijau, masam and crunch. So when you eat your salad, also you want to. So when you do the salad in one market, you tell the chef, you need to. So when you eat, you have got crunch, ada rangup, ada manis. Lepas tengok muka ada lawa, ada kuning masak, ada hijau, very colourful. This one okay lah. So if you have my choice, I will put on here. So this is my advice when I do my salad. Betul Hafiz? Betul. Bila kau makan ada krak, kruk. Okay, of course. Kita punya sini bawang goreng, kasih wangi. Masuk dalam. Ini macam banyak kedekut lah. Kalau chef ini kasih double lah. Dia mau pergi haji lagi lah. And then also here we have daun ketumbar. And lastly, you stir that, you get the flavour right. Kena betul-betul rasa, kasih flavour dia right. Chef kau kacau habis chef betul-betul chef. Kau goreng kasih masuk semua. Ini garam tadi dah masuk ni, tak pasal garam sebab dah pakai nampla. Maybe a bit more sugar. Stir, let the seed. And don't forget we have our kacang tanah. You can also letak bijan goreng panas-panas. Guys, the bau very nice.
Macam Pak Sai noodle.
Kacang? Kejap lagi nak kata cukup masam, cukup pedas, tak cukup kita tambah lagi. Ya, kalau mana nak lagi kuasir bawah tu keluar, tombol tambah lagi. No problem. And don't forget bila kita makan kerabu mesti asam lebih. Tanpa asam lebih tak apa. Kasih dia stick for a while, kacau-kacau sana sampai terkeluar, chef. Tidur. Dia excited sampai terkeluar pula. Slowly, ya. So my chicken is cooking slowly here. Lovely. So this recipe is also in the cookbook, ya, dalam buku. Senang saja. Jadi chef, see the salad looks nice, lovely. Bawah dia, turn up lagi dia. And then, yes. Then you see so nice. Dia jadi. Now, when you make a good kerabu, always remember, when you do a good kerabu, always remember, the flavor is very important. Bila makan cukup pedas, cukup manis, ya, semua mesti mau cukup. Because your mouth, bila kita masuk, tak ada kartu, ya. Bila kita masuk, ya, mulut, ya, kita must be able to rasa cukup masin, ya. Baik. Oh, dah nak mampus. When you put chili, be very careful. Chili padi ke apa dia, you put very careful. Because sometimes when you make sambal, you don't know how much you know. But that's why you put a lot. But because the chili is so hot, chili apa dia? Itu ada. So it's hot. Maybe I'm not the hot person lah kan, but it's hot. Kau kata a bit more lime is okay. Ada? For Malay okay lah. Why? I'm half Chinese, cannot okay. For Malay okay. To me it's hot, but the flavor is there. Yeah. But then we put the sugar there a bit. We leave it in a short while. The flavor will come together. Yeah. But for my taste one is hot. I like to cut it down. Because you know why? Food you must remember, when you present something, it has to be a bit, orang kata apa? Balance. Because bila terlalu pedas, tak boleh rasa. Nak pedas sikit, masam sikit, wangi sikit. Ya? Very important. Besok kalau
Chef Wan, hari ini kita nak rasakan buku Chef Wan. Nak minta derma boleh jugalah. Maklum Datuk kaya lah. Alhamdulillah. Kita boleh nampak buat sikit. Tak kurang kuat lah. Welcome to join. Silakan Chef Wan. Berikan sepatah dua kata. Okay, I pass the mic to Chef Wan. Ladies and gentlemen.
I mana ada sepatah dua kata?
10 kata dia kasih.
Anyway, saya ucapkan selamat datang. Assalamualaikum semua. Thank you for coming. Dan I think this is our third destination. Nak tukar baju uniform dah? Kod dia.
Kita DJ yang apa dengan Datuk yang glamour ni.
I tadi nak tukar tadi apa kancing coli tadi dah putus dah kancing. Tak sempat. Saya tak pakai. Aduh, ya. Kelakar tadi kan punya masa tengah hari tadi buat show punya banyak di Bedok ya. Kita ni tengah set buku. Lepas tu yang makcik-makcik ambil gambarnya, saya tengah duduk bawah. Dia orang ni kat belakang. Saya perasan apa yang berat tau. Before I dah lagi bongkok. Lepas seorang-seorang kan. And then dah lama-lama rasa macam bau dah sengot. Sekali dah fikir-fikir apa yang berat. Rupanya dia orang letak tetek dekat sini. Lagi lepas baru perasan. Yang perasan bukan apa. Ada satu pakcik duduk kat depan dia dengan wife dia. Dia tak bergerak tau. Yang si tengok air tu siap. Lepas tu tengok dia gelak juga. Apa ni kan? Kenapa dia gelak? Rupanya bila dia orang datang kat belakang, saya duduk ni, Chef Wan. Chef Wan pun lepas tu letak sebelah kat sini. Bayangkan so I'm going to balance it one cook. Belakang tu kan. Tengoklah makcik seorang-seorang bukan dia kecil yang di tengah tu kan. Sekali dah selambaknya. Belakang ni.
Dia plastik kesian tak faham. Dia nak minta you tu.
I was talking about people when I was telling the boy, the lady standing behind me, they put half of their teeth on my shoulder. Yalah, bukan teeth lah gigi. Oh, you don't understand. Teeth. No, this one lah. Normal lah. Everybody got tendon, right? I also got tendon. Except mine expire lah. Shop close long time ago lah. Dah main dah 4 round ni kan. Duduk kat kursi tu. Tapi yang kelakar dia, yang saya perasan tu, mana ada makcik actually perasan tau. Dia dah gelak-gelak pada di belakang. Dia kata, I tak dekat you I tak letak I kata, you perasan ni lah, tak nampak. I kata tak perasan. Tapi rasa lah berat kan. Because sorang-sorang. So kejap lagi jangan nak menumpang Ada satu hari dah bongkok sabut dah pada naik.
Beliau 400 resipi terbaik Chef Wan. Ramai sekali akak-akak di Tampines, Pasir Ris semua datang ke sini untuk dapat tanda tangan buku Chef Wan. Chef, komen sikit.
Alhamdulillah, dalam Pasar Jaya ni senang aja dapat buku, terus beli masak. Yang penting dapur kau Cik Kia, Cik Senar berasap. Jangan dah beli tak berasap. Kadang orang perempuan ni beli buku simpanlah. Nak tutup tangan abang-abang. Kan 1, 2, 3 simpan macam pinggan mangkuk lah. Masaknya haram tak ada. Hari-hari kari asam pedas. Tu dah dapat buku 400 resepi. So kena lah masak kan.
Ya, yang tinggal di sekitar kawasan Tampines tu boleh datang ke sini sekarang juga. Maisa, kita kembali ke studio.
Thank you. Yang betul affordable. So that's why my book hari ni dapat kita jualkan semurah-murah. Ya, kenapa kita berdua pun mengambil orang kata untung yang paling sedikit. Ya, dan Wan pun macam itu juga. Ya, kenapa waktu kita berfikir nak menjual buku harga ni, kita boleh meletak ya, sebab buku ni normally kalau like this pun dalam easily ya, kalau kat Malaysia dalam RM100-RM90, that's what the market is lah ya. Tapi kita jual 40 like half macam ni juga ya, setengah. Because Wan kan fikir since it doesn't cost anymore, photography and all that ya, segala photoshoot apa semua cuma printing je. So kenapa tidaklah kita beli, kalau kita dapat duit lebih pun kita sedekah kat orang lain kat masjid, kita sedekah kepada fan kita lah ya, kasih ya. Sebab Wan rasa it's so important to hand over those beautiful recipes. Now going back ya, cerita pasal tadi yang energy tu,
Yes.
I think orang selalu kata, I think the most important thing, Chef, mana kan kami cakap juga ni, kita tuang minyak dari tu, cakap juga ya, energy. I think the driving force in me every day kan Afif, I think is nothing but a lot of passion.
Sayangkan manusia lah. Love.
Passion, love.
Lot of love lah.
Aku nak keluar nafsu kan, passion. Nafsu dah lain pula. Passion ni bila kita suka melakukan satu-satu, kita ada
minat mendalam,
kehendak ya, all that. So that's the driving force. I think when you get up in the morning, the first thing you buka mata after basuh gigi yang mana, minum a glass of water, the first thing goes into your mind is to look at your diary, like what's going on, ataupun last night malam tadi by music, okay, this tomorrow what's ahead kan, merancang, planning. So then you start doing things, all that. So I think it's very important to have that passion ya. Macam kita masak ni pun sebagian juga passion kan ya. So I think passion tu is the driving force. I think orang yang passionate ya, selalunya adalah manusia yang selalunya bukan saja more happy because you get up, you have something to do. Daripada duduk je like couch potato and do nothing kan. Pokok kita ni besar macam ni ada, kata apa-apa apa datangkan penyakit lagi ada kan. Jadi you gotta have that driving force to move forward ya. And usually people are very passionate people are also very successful people as well ya, in some way. And let me tell you, successful is not about dollars and cents. Tak, it's about ringgit. Success to me, when I was interviewed earlier in BBC World in London with Michelle Hussein on my role as a food ambassador of the country, and also on Talk Asia, I also asked the same question. What is success to you, Chef Wan? I said success to me is not about dollars and cents. Success to me is about doing something that you're passionate about, yeah, and then finally achieving your dream and feeling happy and content. Senang. You can be as content, yeah. Jadi tukang kebun pun, kita jadi tukang kebun saja pun, kita can be, orang kata, tanam the most beautiful vegetables, and then the market buys all these beautiful vegetables, and it's planted by these farmers who work, yeah. Bekerja bertahun-tahun berbobok sabut ni kan, petik lah segala, ulat-ulat cari segala daun-daun. It's hard work kan, tapi dia create this Garden of Eden, cantik ya. Sama juga painter yang melukis, spend so many hours ya, kurung tutup semua tingkap-tingkap ni, gelap rumah, takut cahaya, and sits down and paint. I have friends dia dah meninggal ya, very well known, what do you call that, nama Ibrahim Hussein ya. One painting dia for 3 million, 4 million. When I look at it, I say, I won't even pay $5 for this painting. Apa ni? Dia kata modern art. Kan macam orang letak canvas tapi lempar je, macam dia pijak-pijak kan, dia cakap modern art. Kan? Orang nak melukis, but orang beli kan, macam tu juga. Macam buku I juga. Orang sanggup nak bayar my book ya.
Cakap juga punya dapatan sikit. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Cakap juga nak goreng ayam. Ni nak buat Spanish tu.
Dia ada ke?
Tak. Ini ambil yang pencin. Banyak cakap kan, idea bahasa banyak masuk kan tadi. Okay, now kita potong ayam ni lebar ni. Now we're preparing a Spanish stew. Ya, kalau follow Eshindron, famous in the Basque country. This is northern part of Spain. Ya, resipi dah dalam buku ya. Stew ayam Spanyol. So because kita nak buat stew, the meat daging tak hancur. Ya, tak ada. Chef, always get the bowl first. And then kita goreng dengan minyak zaitun yang dah panas tu. Gaul. And I'm telling you, the reason why we are coating the chicken with the flour letak ni, bukan apa ya. Sementara nak masuk ayam ni, kita masuk bawang besar dulu, kita goreng. Ya. Kalau boleh bawang ni nak buat stew lebih. Chef ni kerja kod nak mampus dia kalau buat macam tu. Kan? Ada sama-sama.
Masih baik dia.
Tak perlu tengok dah berumpat dah.
Kesiap jangan sampai nak ciri dia.
Dia suka potong bawang terbiak-terbiak macam ni dah. Kan? Oh, salah juga. Kecil-kecil sikit ya. Ya, so tumis bawang ni, kita masukkan mushroom. Cendawan dia. So this chicken stew has mushroom. I love this stew because you know why? It's so simple to do but has a lot of flavor. Ya, nanti you rasa. Dan senang saja kita tumiskan ni semua, kemudian kita akan nanti gorengkan ayam tu. Now I love using olive oil sebab apa? Dia tak ada kolesterol ya. Orang Sepanyol, orang Morocco banyak guna minyak zaitun ya. Panas saja bawang tu, layu sebentar saja, immediately kita boleh letakkan ayam kita ya ke dalam, dan lalu kita gorengkan and spread the chicken ya macam tu in even pieces on high heat ya, pada kata ya kepanasan dapur yang tinggi, because you really need to brown the chicken quickly. Chef, ini kan, you really need to brown the chicken quickly. Now, the reason is why I'm telling you, bila kita dah coat ayam tadi dengan tepung ya, kita kena goreng dengan api yang panas supaya the chicken will sear. Apa dia kata sear, tutup liang-liang kulit ni dengan cepat supaya air, so that the juice does not leach out. You understand tak? Everybody can cook, but to cook effectively, you must understand apa dia kata the fundamental skill of the culinary art. In this case, how you make a stew. Letak tepung, why you put flour? Because flour ada carbohydrate. Bila kita masak dengan minyak yang panas, dia jadi brown. When it becomes brown, sedap tak? Nice flavor. Bila kita makan tempura putih, keledek ya, atau pisang goreng pucat, makan tak sedap. Tapi bila kita goreng garing-garing, kari pak semua kan, ikan goreng garing sedap tak? Garing sedap. Sebab apa? Dia ada caramelization ya. Ayam pun macam tu kan. That's why you have to leave. Biar dia leave it. Ya, so kita leave it sekejap on high heat. Let the chicken to sear. Ya. So biar dia sear macam tu, tutup yang jangan supaya dia slightly brown. Brown in colour. What's the song tu? And then ni kita masukkan bahan lain. No, dalam resipi ni kita juga mengguna carrot. Ya. So this one orang panggil mirepoix. So this gives a lot of flavour as well. Rasa dalam tu. Ya. Dan saya masukkan bawang putih. Dan letak bawang putih. So mana yang ketiak hangit tu boleh tambah lebih. Tambah lebih. Kurang kan? Ya. Then I have some bay leaf. Kita koyak-koyakkan daun bay. So I fry the chicken. Dia gaus ni. So nampak ayam ni nicely brown. This is the colour that I want to achieve. Ya. Nampak ni. Can you see the colour, the brown colour? This is exactly what I want to do. Mana buka picture? It's easy for me. See the colour. This is the colour when you want to brown something, your meat. This is the colour you want for your stew. Yeah, so that the stew has a lot of wonderful flavour. So kita masuk dalam ni, brown that, and then goes all your wonderful herbs. Kita ada sini, ya, basil. Kita ada fresh thyme, ya, semua guna fresh. Kan? Dan juga sini kita ada juga sini kita punya thyme, dan kita gunakan also kita punya capsicum, a lot of vegetable. Ya, always remember dalam every diet you need to eat a lot of colourful vegetable. Penting. Ya, I am 56 years old. I eat tons of vegetable for my skin, darling. For my skin. Betul tak? Ya. So all the chicken here. So I remember when I was sharing all these herbs in London, and one of the English lady was asking me, Chef Wan, what is that? It's actually daun kesum. You know, because the Vietnamese mean, yeah, daun kesum for the laksa. And I told her, we call it daun kesum. And she said, do you have an English name? I kata, it's Vietnamese meat. Memang nama Vietnamese meat? She said, no, there's a different name. Dia nak juga. So I kata, how to say because one negara in outside other country, we don't grow this in Asia. Like you have your bay leaf, takkan nak nama lain because it's still bay leaf kan. Macam orang tanya Chef Wan, time ni ada ke nama Melayu? Astaghfirullahaladzim. They ask me time for Malay name. We don't grow here, so it's for time. Kan? So that's why. So when they ask me, they want also I give lah. So she was going to like, so what's the English name? I call it down calcium. Bagus ni pronounce calcium. Okay. Kasumnya kasum, ya, cesum. Macam hari ni kalau dengar pun tanah kasum, faham terpecekik dia dah. Ya? So kita masuk sekarang all the olive, the Spanish food, they love their olive. Ya? Kedekut Chef, bagilah 2 kali ganda. Kau orang ramai ni kan, kalau bagi dah double kan. Crushed tomato. Tomato is wonderful, antioxidant. If you look in dalam dish ni kan, it's so wonderful because it does not have fatty stuff. Ya, kulit kita buang, take away the apa, macam the chicken punya lemak apa semua ya, tomato, ya, kita ada sini ya. Lagi sekali ni tomato puree, semua dalam ni, and then of course you stir. Habis. So kalau kita servekan resipi ni pula kan dengan apa tahu? Dengan pasta apa sedap habis.
Dengan roti Perancis pun boleh ya.
Masak lagi habis dah macam.
Oh sedapnya. Oi.
It's so simple.
Yes.
So that's why I'm always saying like, what's stopping each and every one of you from cooking? I don't understand that. Because food is about connection, yeah, to people. Betul? Yeah? Every day. Simple. It's all about connecting to. The very first thing yang kita connect ni is our own family. Keluarga, suami, anak-anak. If you don't sit at the table to eat and share and cook, there's nothing more to talk. Because we all these days, Instagram, Facebook, ambil mengata orang melawan.
Mengata orang lebih kita berbuat tadi.
Ada orang tu dalam kereta, kan? Lepas ni duduk ni melambat lunch ni. Semua Instagram. You don't love me, Because you know we don't talk very much these days because you know why we, but a different talk lah.
Yalah.
But I different, I got so many friends, I got to talk lah.
Chef Wan is become very fast. I know his hand. So fast, you know.
You want to follow Chef Wan 58?
Chef Wan 58, What 58?
Every 58 is my date of birth.
Oh.
This January I'm going to be.
If you top up 58, can buy the number already,
Oh, no, you.
58 tomorrow.
And yesterday, I tell you, this photo I don't like it, I mean, I'll tell you a story why I don't like it. Anyway, there was one very old Chinese man. Okay, before we talk, we put chicken stock. Talk lah, hangur lah ayam aku dekat. Chicken stock just enough to cover the chicken, and then we put some lovely saffron.
Cikgu, ada kali baju merah ni beli kat mana cantik?
And then sedap lah, saffron tu tau.
Merah.
You know?
Saffron,
It's from here, just pull out. Because last time, all black lah. But now this one turn white, this one turn red. So this crocus, bunga crocus, daripada every autumn time, crocus very popular sebetulnya. Ni adalah stigma dia macam bunga raya juga tapi bentuk dia purple colour crocus. And so they keluar hujung, so they pull out. It's very expensive. Untuk komo-komo you get it for not only the colour, the aroma of the saffron itself, that give that wonderful aroma to it. So kita biarkan dia masak seketika. More black pepper. I love black pepper my food because my grandmother say tiap-tiap kali orang perempuan meneran beranak 500 urat putus je. Betul ke? Acik macam mana? Tak tahu. Takkan lah. Awak tak pernah beranak ke? You? Tak tahu? Tak tahu? Tak pernah beranak? Yeah. Beranak. No. That's why kalau tengok bidan-bidan, kalau bagi orang makan itu bukan, kalau orang tua dia rebus semua letak hitam kan? I like when I had to care for my mother in maternity, I put a lot of black pepper, dia kata tak cukup. Hari pertama pantang tak cukup. Hari kedua, tiga semua tak cukup. Tak cukup tak rasa. Lah masuk geram habis, aku tuangkan dari dia. Oh, dia makan habis, dengan baju cukup. Panas! Panas! Aku tak letak ni panas! Mengapa? Rasakan? Kan? Dia beranak je aku yang jaga. Dah tahun. Kalau kita 7 orang adik-beradik, 7 orang saya yang tua bang, dulu tak ada TV. Dia masa touch and go je. I still remember, really touch and go because there was no TV. Kita adik-beradik 7 orang dengan kem askar, kan? Mantang. My father bila kalau kita sibuk malam bekerja kan dia pegang lah. Dia macam, lepas tengok hilang je. Tapi kadang-kadang kita tengah buat homework dalam bilik askar ni, bilik satu. Semua kena keluar. Keluar lah. Kita keluar lepas tu duduk lah kita kat pintu dulu. Kan? Kita dulu tak boleh tak tahulah apa halnya. Ingatkan dia mesyuarat agung. Tapi tahulah kata askar ni bukan boleh diam. Kan dia besi ni kan. Kadang goyang bang. Jadi kita duduk kat luar dia. Ya Rabbi bila dah habis orang tua ni. Dah habis tu kita barulah boleh masuk. Satu bilik tu orang sampai cakap berek askar, berek polis. Bagilah 2 bilik kan. Tu kadang fikir orang kat Hong Kong lagi kan. Lagi Hong Kong dia pasal tirai je. Dibanding kat India tu habis. Anak 12. Tak tahulah India. Anak 12 dia main tutup tirai je. Bilik dia tu sekali. Orang. Itu kan kadang fikir. Macam mana tu kan. Senyap macam mana pun mesti ada bunyi.
Bunyi macam mana? Orang India?
Tak tahulah. Tapi takkan dah kentut sekali. Apa suruh nak jawab abang? Dia gini. Auntie pun you better don't swallow your denture. Because sometimes kamu before dia dalam ada cokek pula. Lagi palsu dia. So okay, cakap pasal gambar ni semalam. I saw the old man. He was standing here for a long time, Habib. Dia berdiri di sana.
Baru saja selesai masak stew Spanish Malaysia ya.
Dah datang pun.
Chef Wan di laporan langsung ke Radio Warna. Komen sikit lah audio-audio kat sini.
Nak komen apa main cium bau?
Dia cium bau pula.
Kalau korang tak bau senyap, korang letak kat depan perut. Kalau korang tak bau, korang terkejut tingkap sekarang. Dia orang pun kata bau.
Itu dia. Spanish flu. Jadi komen sikit hari terakhir ni, penat tak rasanya Chef Wan? Penat tak sekarang?
Actually siapa tak pernah daripada pagi mencecim kan pukul 3 pukulan sampai letih habis dan dia tak larat. Tapi bila tengok je muka peminat ramai-ramai ni kan, ya Allah tak bercakap bukan saja 100 berjuta. Kenapa ada ujung sana? Macam-macam kini nampak kat semakin macam pandang sapang dengan maruah dah.
Ya, kat belakang tu macam padang mahsyar. Panas ya. Ya, itu dia Faiza. Ini adalah laporan akhir. Jadi kepada anda yang dapatkan buku ini ada dijual di Popular Bookstore dengan harga banyak promosi. Tetapi itu harganya menjadi $19.90. Dan
What called Giant, ya. Dan of course tentu ya, the whole popular team dan juga kepada Hafiz ya yang sudi mengacara ini, sanggup dia datang bantuan, dan Chef Jahid yang sediakan everything untuk kita hari ini. Ya, saya tahu pek saja ya, dan saya mohon ampun dan maaf kalau ada silap ya, saya minta maaf ya. Mudah-mudahan kita jumpa lagi di masa akan datang. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum semua ya. Kalau tak jumpa nak ucap kepada semua selamat menyambut bulan Ramadan. Ya, thank you so much and thank you for all your help and your support. InsyaAllah ya, di masa akan datang kita akan jumpa lagi. Thank you.
Baiklah, terima kasih Chef Wan. Anda yang dapat begini bayar dulu di bahagian bakery.
Nanti dulu. Kadang-kadang kita ni dah gurau ni macam short circuit tau. Macam wire tu dia dah macam ni, dia macam short circuit. Ya? Tak tahu?
Kan perlupan.
Barulah betul kan. Tak apa, muda lagi. Sebab nenek saya selalu kata 90 pun muda lagi. Dalam muda-muda tengok besok dah jalan dah. Bila nak tua dia muda lagi. Amboi gelang tepek dia. Bulat-bulat. Ni bila nak pergi dia nak tinggal dengan siapa ni? Ada suami lagi?
Tak ada.
Tak ada, macam ni kan lah. Seorang lah janda sekarang lah. Janda? Saya tengah mencari juga. Awak tak nak ke? Tak teringin? Alah, asalkan awak serah gelang-gelang tepek ni, gelang tanah, kita ambil, jangan risau. Terima kasih kak ya. Terima kasih. 2 jam. Yolah. Okey. Aduh. So anyway, terima kasih ya kerana datang. So kita cerita sikit buku ni koleksi 400 ya. So this tak mahal ya, sebab kita buatkannya. Kenapa kita tak payah lagi nak ambil macam gambar lagi, benda kombinasi pada buku lama-lama 5 je satu kan. So that's why we can afford to make it very affordable lah, dengan popular. So I hope you enjoy the recipe because there's many good things. Untung adik-adik ramai. Macam tinggal biskut dah pegang. Pegang. Mana lagi tinggal kat rumah? Ini satu. Ya. Saya punya satu. Pegang. Tiga dia bagi semua beli lagi. Okey. Satu lagi. Bagi tahu Instagram siapa nak ikut Chef Wan 58 Instagram I, follow. Siapa yang